Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm the Quilting Witch, and today I'm going to talk to you about rotary cutters and rotary blades, and I'm hoping I will show you the difference that you won't make the same mistake I did. All right, so here we have we have 5 different blades here. This one is a Martinelli blade, and this is a Ginger blade rotary cutter. This one is so great, and I love this particular style, so I wanted to try that. This is an Olfa, which this is my favorite, and I prefer this. This is also a different type of Olfa. So you have to find what you like the best, what feels the best in your hands. What I'm going to talk about here is, this is a bigger blade, so I'm just going to kind of toss it out of the way. I just wanted to show you some different styles. You would think that these two, they look identical, but they, like, see, this one wants to stick. This one I'm struggling with this blade, even loosening it, but then it loosens up as I cut with it. And so it just is different, but they are literally identical pretty much to that. They have the little button that you lock it closed, lock it open. Yeah, so see, this one drives me crazy. So I put this one away. So what I want to talk about here is we're going to pull this one apart really quick. And these Olfa blades come with a blade, I hope you can see this, with little bitty notches here in it. Now, then you get these blades that don't. That's totally round, okay? So one time, not paying attention, I put one of these blades in this cutter, and it's like I had a notch, a little nick on my blade. It wouldn't cut it all the way through straight. So the one thing I'm going to tell you is make sure that you put the right blade back in the cutter. It is very, very important. Okay, so this one is all put back together. So this one, the Gingers, it does come out just a little bit easier. And just be real careful handling the blades. Okay, the other thing I want to tell you about blades, and it goes right on there, is when you buy them in the package, there's a little bit of oil on them. Don't wipe that oil off. It just helps. It helps lubricate things. This one is a little different, but this one here actually, come on here. Doesn't want to come up right there. We go. This one has the circle blade. So it slides in here, just like this. Now this, it screws on backwards because that's where I get in a little bit of a bind with this thing. Because I'm trying to go that way, but I got to remember I've got to go this way with it. So if you put the wrong kind in, remember it won't cut straight. You'll have like a little niche in your blade.